What does a loop do?
They go round and around.
Okay, that was amazing. Yo, I'm Mnemonic, and this is my son, Wesley. Wesley and I are going to have some fun with loops, a wonderful way to start making music. You know, the things that play over and over again. And then you can add multiple loops together, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do so you can make your own songs. Here we go. You know about loops, right?
Yeah, look at that thing. That's like a loop.
What thing?
That computer thing.
Oh, yes. The screensaver on my computer is like a loop. Check it out. So we got some loops right here. No, let's do this one. Which one's good?
This was cool.
This is a good loop?
Yeah.
Let's bring in another loop. Push this one. Okay, so what does a loop do?
They go round and around.
Okay, that was amazing. That was so good. Okay, so loops, yeah, they just go round and around. You already know. How many loops were we playing right then?
1, 2, 3.
3 loops. You can have loops and then keep on adding loops together, and that's a really easy way to make beats. So if you're new to making beats, you get a loop and then you can add to that loop like we did here. And then we add some drums. And then you can take loops away. How about we make a beat right quick using our own loops? I'll start, okay? Sound good? I'll do a hi-hat. Hi-hats?
Hi-hats.
Now do some, oh, yeah, oh, oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah.
Now do some beep boop boop bop.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
How many loops we're playing right then for that beat? How many is that?
2.
2 loops. How many do we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 loops. So we started with 1 loop and then we kept adding loops to make our beat. Does that help you understand how to make beats with loops?
I think so.
Okay. Well, that's one way to do it. If you don't have one of these, that's okay, because I'm going to show you how you can start making beats with loops featuring the sponsor of this entire series, BandLab. There is an endless amount of loops available on the internet, and most music production software will come with loops that you can use to start making music. And that's what I recommend to people that are beginners. Just grab a few loops and hear how they sound, and you can start to structure something. So I have a project right here with different colors, different sounds, and they're all loops. Some drums, an 808 bass, a synth, and then another synth for the melody, and then this cool sound effect. Okay, we got a beat that has loops in it. That's too easy. So you can make your own loops like Wesley and I did with beatboxing or recording different sounds, or you can use loops that you find on the internet or that software that you have. For real, it is wild how many sounds are available online for free. If you don't know where to start, check out BandLab. There's thousands of sounds available. They even have this thing called the Looper, which I did an exclusive loop pack for, and I think it's pretty awesome. That's good. Now once you have that beat, you can start to add structure and turn it into a song by moving things around. Or deleting some things. And then just keep adding to it. What started off as a loop that would just play over and over is now turning into a song. One of the difficult things when beginning to make music is keeping that inspiration, that spark alive. And using loops can be a good starting point to then let your creativity run wild. Now remember what Wesley said, loops go round and around. So does the creative process. So as you keep making music, you're gonna figure out your own style. Instead of just dragging and dropping loops, you'll start switching things up, adding effects, and really crafting your own sound. That's my hope for you. With that being said, Wesley, thank you so much. You're a pretty smart little kid. Really proud of you, buddy. And BandLab, thanks for sponsoring this entire series. And you can keep watching right here. And what else? Oh yeah, make more music. Peace.